This is how our backyard looked yesterday afternoon, Sunday at around 2 p.m. when the snow had just started to fall, and this is the front of the house. Not too bad, right? It was kind of a wet snow, but it was sticking. And 4 hours later, this is how the deck looked. That's the master bedroom, outside of the master bedroom. It was quite heavy at that time. Now look at this. It's the next day, Monday, and we did have that blizzard. Look at the amount of snow we have out here. This is the view from inside of our master bedroom. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Okay, let's go to the dining room now. And this is the view from inside of the dining room. Just look at how much snow is on the roof of the sunroom. My goodness. Just look at this. That's a lot. Yeah. And this is outside of the front door. Now I can't open the door because there's snow right up there. So until my husband shovels this snow out there, we won't be able to open the door. But look at this. Okay, so I'm in the sunroom. I'm looking outside. This is the deck that you guys just saw out looking out from the dining room. So this is the deck in from this angle. Look at the amount of snow we have here, you guys. Can you even see the step? No, you can't see the steps. No, you can't. Oh my goodness. We had lost power for about 4 hours this morning from about 5:20, but it has since been restored. And yeah, this is South Jersey. We survived the blizzard. Have a good one.